3 ways to remove a background in Photoshop. The first way, which sometimes works when you have a very clear subject, I have this shadow, so I don't think it's going to work perfectly here. You go to Properties, scroll down, click Remove Background. You can now refine this by going to Select and Mask, or you can move on to the second way, which uses Select and Mask anyway. Click Select Subject. This is going to select the same amount that the background removal did. Now we're going to refine it in Select and Mask. Try out the different brushes down the side here. Hold Alt to minus. When you're finished with your refining, come down to Output and choose Layer Mask. Number 3 is the pen tool. It's the slowest, but it's the most accurate. I like to start with just the sharp points. And then I'll add the curved points by using the Add Anchor Point tool. When you're happy, right-click, make selection, OK, and come down here to create a layer mask. There you have it, 3 ways to remove a background. Subscribe for more.